Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can add different post formats. So currently you can see that there is no post formats. So you may wonder, Tian, why would I need post format anyway? But when you will be making a WordPress theme, you will see that a lot of times you have to deal with different kind of post formats. So for that you need to have that. So it's a theme support. If you go to wordpress.org, you can see all the post formats that is supported by WordPress. And how you can add this, simply you have to add this line, add theme support, post formats, and in the array you have to give all the value. So let me just copy this one and go to my functions.php, and here all I have to do is after this or anywhere I just have to copy paste this line, and simply this line will do, it will give me the aside format and the gallery format. So if I go to my WordPress site and reload, then I should be able to see two new post formats here. So you can say this is the standard and this is the aside and this is the gallery. This section was not available before, but as soon as I add this line, add theme support, then blah blah blah, then these two post formats are given here. So we can basically assign this post to gallery or aside or anything else. So I'm gonna pick couple other as well, aside gallery, then we have link, image, quote. So I'm gonna add those as well, link, image, quote. Then we have status, video, audio, chat. Status, video, audio, chat. So now we have all the formats. If I just go here and give it a reload, then we should be seeing a bunch of formats here. So this is the total list of all the post formats that WordPress supports. So you don't have to give everything. You just have to provide the things that you need. Like if you only need the gallery and the video and the audio, then you can just add those three and give everything else a break from not adding those things. So yeah, just do with these things whatever you want. These things will come handy once you are into WordPress theme development and you are dealing with multiple post formats, and then you will see the benefit of having this. So that's for it. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.